Hey guys, I'm back. Today we're gonna be talking about the quotient rule. So pretend that we have a function f of x here. F of x equals 1 over x. So this is a quotient. A quotient just division, so it's like a number over a number. So what it what is its derivative gonna be? F prime of x equals question mark question mark question mark. That question soon will be answered. So let's just take this f of x equals 1 over x. We can write f of x equals x to the minus 1, which is true because that this is just another way to write this, and this is another way to write this because it's 1 over x, and then 1 over x equals x to the minus 1. So then we can do f prime of x equals negative x to the minus 1. So it's going to be negative x minus 2. So this is going to be negative 1 divided by x squared. And we know this because of the power rule. So we can do the power rule on this simply. But there is a special rule for things that are like quotients, so like something divided by something. There's a special rule for it. And here is the rule. So let's start off with f of x equals 1 over x. This is our base thing here. So now let's do the quotient rule, which is f divided by g prime, f being the top function, g being the bottom function. So let's do f prime times g prime minus f times g prime divided by g squared. So in this here, f prime for this function here would be 1, but we know the derivative of any constant will get you 0, and then g would just be x. So then we do minus f, which is just 1, and then the derivative of x, which would just be, the derivative of x is just 1, so it's going to be 1 times 1, but it's going to be 0 times x minus 1 times 1, divided by x g squared, but g is just x, so it's going to be x squared, but anything to the 0, multiplied by 0, my apologies, not to 0, multiplied by 0 is going to be 0, so this is just going to cancel out in it. It's going to be, oh, is it white? It's just gonna cancel out. Oh yeah, it's in white. But this section just gonna cancel out, and then we're left with negative or just minus 1 times 1, which is gonna get you negative 1. So the final answer is negative 1 divided by x squared. Here it was just something simple to show for this it's much easier to use the power rule, but the quotient rule works nonetheless. But the quotient rule is for things that are like harder to solve. So let me change my, so like for this function here, I'm gonna leave you guys with this function. If you want, you can comment down what the answer is. What is the derivative of this function? Oh, this is very bad. That's bad. Let's do plus 6 6 x squared minus, let's just do a constant 4 divided by x squared minus 5x, and let's keep it like this. This is x squared, by the way, so whoever can find this derivative here by using this function here, I'll pin your comment. So you guys would be the pinned comment. And then tomorrow, I'm going to be talking about the product rule. It's similar to this, but it's just this top portion here. And then it wouldn't be a subtraction, it would be addition. I just show you guys how to use it. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you have a great day.